Hey guys, I'm going to show you the water load and how to retrieve your line and get it ready for the next cast, and you can do it all within about 2 to 3 casts maximum. Okay, so I'm just going to start off. I'm just going to lengthen my line out, and I'm going to use the resistance of the water in front of me. Okay, so I'm just lying it on the water and then bringing it back off, and see how much line I've got out without any false casting whatsoever. Then everything's in a straight line, and you just drag it out of the water and put it where you want. Okay, so that's the water load. That's a mend. It slows the drift down, otherwise your line will be shooting through the water and the nymphs wouldn't get down, it wouldn't look natural, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's say we finish our drift. I fished it anyway, so let's say we finish it there. So now I'm stripping this line in to a reasonable amount, to about there. Then I lift up. This is the secret. Nymphs come to the surface and then roll it downstream, and then go up, back, one cast. I have to pull it back. Mend. Get everything behind the indicator. It's going to be dragging now, so if I go right up there, I'll slow it down. The nymphs will sink down through the water, look more natural. Finish my drift, strip this line in to a reasonable amount. You don't want to bring too much in, you don't want to have too much out. Okay, secret is nymphs to the surface and roll it down. Then go up and back without touching the water in front of you, and then it's one water load. I'm going to throw some line on the water, and I'm going to use that to flick up. Got to mend up one more time. And I'm going to high pole it. This is minimum drag. Nymphs get down deeper. You feel the tape. Okay. Now all I'm going to do is get those nymphs to the surface. So see how I'm lifting the rod when I say I lift the rod? Nymphs are on the surface, and just roll it down. Nymphs go below the indicator, if you saw that. Up, back. Everything's in a straight line across the river. It's a really powerful cast, eh? It should be used more often. Effortless. And if you're in a tight space where there's trees all around you and you can't false cast, then it's a brilliant technique because you can get in real low with it. Okay, so last time, finish your drift, strip that line in, get to about there, lift the rod up, nymphs are on the surface, roll down, nymphs go below the indicator, so everything's in a straight line, up, back. I'm letting the line go, by the way, as I do that. That's water load. Quite stealthy as well. Cheers guys.